Welcome to the very first episode of Bones and Stuff. In this two-part episode, you will see shoulder reconstruction done in 3D scissor. In part 1, we will do a reconstruction of the scapula, and in part 2, we will reconstruct the humerus and finish up with fixing model errors. After loading the images, we can see that the quality is not too great, so we will filter the images to make them smoother. Yeah, looks good so far. Now, when we switch to segmentation, we will need to select a threshold. Whoa, too much. Threshold will create a mask that we can work with. Well, remember to check if you are using filtered images or not. For those that are wondering, if you are working with images that are not filtered, threshold will pick up all the pixels from the noise. Damn, my hand slipped. Yeah, I think 250 on the lower end is the best. Okay, I probably should set the upper end to the max. Looks good. We will turn on the 3D model to see if everything is fine. Full of holes, but not too bad. We can now erase humerus from the picture. Now that we erased the parts of humerus that were touching the scapula, we will use remove islands and just keep the scapula. Now that the scapula is all alone, we can start. Let's smooth the segmentation a little bit. Wait, this is not smooth, this is hollow. Ah, there it is. Remember where your functions are. So for smoothing, play a little, see if it's good on 1 mm, undo if it's bad, and check higher values for a better smoothing factor. It's okay with 2 mm smooth. If we use higher, we will lose a lot of parts of the segmentation. Now we can start to add the parts that are missing. I forgot to turn off the filtered image. With the filter, some parts become smudged, and you can't figure out if it's bone or fragment. Yeah, it's better now. So let's start. If you are wondering why I skip from part to part, well, I get bored from painting or erasing one section. So I switch the part that I'm adding or erasing from time to time. This is therapeutic, like coloring book for adults. This was very time-consuming, but it's a good thing that you can put some music in the background and relax. Don't think about anything. Let's look at the model. It has some holes. Okay, let's try to patch them up. Well, it didn't work. No problem. I will fix it post-production. Just to look at the model one more time and see if I have some errors that I need to fix. All that is left is to rename this segment. Okay, this should be it for part 1. Next time we will finish up with humerus.